हेलो एवरीवन। सो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने शॉर्टेज अलाउट का जो कॉन्सेप्ट था और एक हमारा उधर एक प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम हमने सॉल्यूशन किए थे। और इस वीडियो में हम फिर से एक प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन करने जा रहा है। तो इधर हमने साइड पे जितना भी इस मेथड के अंदर जितना भी फार्मूला था वो फिर से लिख लिया है। अगर हमको याद नहीं रहेंगे तो आप इधर से देख के वो सॉल्यूशन कर लेंगे। तो चलिए जो क्वेश्चन है वो अभी पढ़ते हैं और उसके बाद इसका सॉल्यूशन करते हैं। इट इज सेइंग दैट ए dealer supplies you the following information with regard to a contract dealt in by him. Annual demand 10,000 units, ordering cost rupees 10 per order, uh, price rupees 20 per unit, inventory carrying cost 20% of the value of inventory per year. The dealer is considering the possibility of allowing some back orders stock out to occur. He has estimated that the annual cost of back ordering will be 25% of the value of inventory. Okay, so these are all the information given in our problem, and now it is written like and it is the requirement what we have to calculate. The number one, that is what should be the optimum number of units of the product we should buy in one lot. So that's mean we have to calculate EOQ under shortage allowed method. Number two, what quantity of product should be allowed to be back orders. So this is the calculation of maximum number of back order. This is the calculation of max number of back order. Okay, and number three, what would be the maximum quantity of inventory at any time of the year? So this is the maximum inventory level. This one is the maximum inventory level we have to calculate. Inventory level. Okay guys, so these are the three requirement we have to calculate through this element. All information are given here. So at first we should collect all the information and symbolic them with our notations. So write down like that. It here it's solution. So uh, to solve this problem we have to consider following notations. So we have to consider following notations. Annual demand, it is D, that is 10,000 unit. Order cost, which one denoted by C0 or CO, that is rupees 10 per unit, and cost per unit, that is C only denoted by that is rupees 20. Okay, and inventory carrying cost. So what does it mean, inventory carrying cost? It's already said that is inventory carrying cost, in bracket we will denote that with CH, equals to the percentage was inventory carrying cost 20% of the value of inventory per year. So 20% of the value of inventory, so 20% into value of inventory, that is cost per unit. So this will be calculated by, in that way, C into percentage of inventory. So it is saying that is C C means 20 per unit and percentage, that is 20%. So it will be valued rupees 4. And the next one we have the next one element is back order cost. Which was denoted by CB. Okay, the back order cost CB, that is cost into percentage of what? Percentage of the dealer is considering the possibility of allowing of some back order to occur. He has estimated that the annual cost of back ordering will be 25%. So that will be 25% of cost per unit. So cost per unit is about 20, and that is 25%. So the amount will be rupees 5 only. Rupees 5. Okay. Now we will calculate one by one. The first one is EOQ. So it is saying in the question like that, optimum number of quantity. Optimum number of quantity. We denote that with Q star, and the formula becomes, I think I could remind, I don't need to check out those formulas. That is 202D into CH into CH divided by into CH plus CB divided by CB. Okay guys, so this is the formula. Now we will put the information in that and we will calculate our EOQ. So 2 into annual demand, that is 10,000, and C0, that is rupees 10, and CH, that is rupees 4, into CH, that is 4, and CB, we have just made that calculation, that is rupees 5, and CB, so that is rupees 5 also. So now calculate this amount through the information. So it will come 50,000, sorry 50,000. It will come 50,000 multiply by 4 plus 5 divided by 5, that is 1.8, and it will be valued 300 units. Now we will calculate our second requirement, that is maximum number of back order. So the number 2, that is maximum number of back order. Maximum number of back orders, it will be like back orders, that is denoted by A star, and A star is valuing through the formula, which is CH divided by CH plus CB into Q star. So that will be amounting rupees 4 divided by 4 plus 5 multiplied by 300. and it's already calculated in my copy, so you guys should calculate in your calculator and then judge yourself. Okay, that is rupees 133.3 and 3. And the third one we have to calculate, that is said in our question, that is maximum inventory level. So this explanation is very easy. The most easiest solution of that problem, that is maximum, that is Roman 3, maximum inventory level, that will be value maximum inventory level equals to Q star minus S star. Q star means 300 minus 133.33, and the value will arise here 166.67 units. So here it is, guys. It's all about this solution we have calculated here. That is also units. So I hope there is no confusion or doubts regarding this problem. If there is any kind of confusion, so please ask me, contact with me through my WhatsApp number. Otherwise, you can also comment on the comment box, and please subscribe my channel, and in the next video will come with the third model of inventory management. Thank you so much.